Hey guys, what's up? Good afternoon. How are you all doing? So guys, this today is Tuesday and this is after 2 and I will be going for school runs around that kind 2:30. But I want to deep clean our room, especially our bed area. Under our bed is very dirty. It's a mess. And it has been like I think about a month or 2 months that I've not cleaned that place. Like under our bed, that I've not done a thorough clean up there. So today I want to be doing that before I will go for school runs. So right now I want to see the way the video is written. So right now I want to do that and I will also carry you guys along. Let's deep clean together. So let's deep clean together. So let's start guys. This bed is so heavy. Like, let me show you guys. This is just so guys, this is what everybody is looking like. So that's like a mess, a total mess. Yeah, everywhere is a total mess. So I'll be cleaning it right away. guys, I'm done arranging everywhere. Baby girl is sleeping, so I'm done, and everywhere is looking so clean and well kept. Yeah. See how I'm sweating. Almost since I started this exercise, like all this my workouts here, I sweat a lot. Smart now, start sweating like someone that they are chasing. But it's all for good. It shows that my metabolism is good and it's working perfectly. So my metabolism is okay and is working perfectly as well. So I'll just head to the bedroom and freshen up and rush out to rush out to pick Mona up from school because it's more than 2:30. I've not checked my time anyway, but I know I know it should be more than 2:30 now. So I'll talk to you guys when I want to go and pick Mona up. Bye for now. Guys, what's up? Hi guys. I'm back from picking Mona up at the school, and yeah, right now I want to prepare dinner. And but before that, I want to first of all prepare what I will be eating this night. I'll be eating rice. Like I have already cooked the white rice. So right now I want to cook vegetable sauce. I don't know if I should say it's vegetable sauce, but I just want to use vegetable that I have here. See there. So I want to use the vegetable to prepare a little sauce that I'll be using for the rice. So let's prepare dinner together, guys. Let's prepare dinner together. I really like cutting my vegetable in the market, but because the lady was too busy and I was rushing somewhere, so I couldn't wait for her to cut it. So I decided to bring it home and cut it myself. So yeah, I don't like stressing myself that much because I was rushing somewhere. I didn't have choice than to collect vegetable from her and cut by myself. Hey guys, good morning. Guys, how are you all doing? So guys, today is Thursday. I just came back from workout and have freshened up. Yeah, so today is Thursday. You're welcome to another beautiful vlog today. How are you all doing? And today I went to the furniture man shop to get my shelf and my dressing mirror, which he is working for me. So and I was able to force him to finish it yesterday because I spent the whole of my yesterday in his shop. So and I got home around that kind after 8 in the midnight. Yeah. So and they brought the stuff. I couldn't carry it there yesterday because I later carried it but myself I didn't carry it myself yesterday because I was waiting for a vehicle that will help me bring it home, which the vehicle later brought the stuff home around that kind to 11, that is 10 something, 10:30 something. That was when the vehicle brought it home. So guys, today kind of arranging my stuff on the shelf, and though I've already started, before I remember I haven't show you guys the chef, though the man is not yet sure with the chef, yeah, because he's supposed to put something on the leg side of the chef, which he will later come and do today or maybe tomorrow. So but currently I'm setting my things, and let me show you what I've done so far. And I would love to, carry this along. I would love to set everything that I'm going to be setting today with you guys. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? So keep watching and enjoy the vlog. So let's set things together. Let's start, guys. So this is the dressing mirror. He have not put in the mirror yet. He will come and face it today. Yeah, and this too. So you have not done this too. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow he'll be doing this too tomorrow. So that man, now for him, sha. So he will come and then fix the mirror today. So currently it's not looking like a dressing mirror, just looking like normal. Should I say chef? So but today you'll come and get the mirror fixed to give it another beauty. So that's just it. I'm done setting there. Shabana, I think this one is not better shade. This is my makeup box. Hope it's okay here. Yep. So I just it all. I don't know if this basket is okay here, or should I remove it and put it in the bedroom? I don't just know. What do you guys think? Should I remove it and put it in the bedroom, or is it okay here? Let me know in the comment section, please. So guys, this is what the chef is looking like. Yeah, so much load. So how do you see my chef? You don't have much tension. Good evening. How are you all doing? So guys, latest update, baby girl is kind of happy because yeah, over there, I don't know if you can see. Please, people should pause this thing for me. I'm making video. I don't know if you guys can sight over there. Yeah, see, our house is scattered because we are installing solar. Hey, for the past 4 months now, we have not seen anything like lights. Talk more of NEPA. We have been burning fuel since over 4 months now or 5 months now. So, but yesterday we started installing our own solar. Yeah. So that we'll be having steady light on. So they started yesterday, and today, but they did not finish today. So let me show you guys what the solar is looking like. So everywhere is messed up because we are not going to arrange anything today till they finish tomorrow. So they'll come back in the morning to complete the solar. So let me show you guys. And my husband bought a light. That is why everywhere is kind of bright. We have to have a new light. We have a new light in the house. So everywhere is kind of bright. And everywhere is kind of bright. So I'm happy, Sham. So let me show you guys the solar. Just installed this light and it's making everywhere so bright. Yep. So it's making everywhere to be bright. And this my camera is not making justice at all. You see how everywhere is so bright, eh? So everywhere is kind of messed up. You still have Mr. Post on now. Everywhere is so scattered. Yeah, because installation is ongoing. Because installation is ongoing. So this is the battery. Yeah, we have 4 batteries here. And me, I don't know what this one is for. I don't know what this one. A lot of things here. Tomorrow they will finish up and arrange this in the way it will be. So I don't know. This one is nice. Felicity Solar. I don't know the work of this one shot till they finish. And they also mounted this thing. So they connected the wire from up and they installed the panels on the zinc. Yeah, so they have already installed the panels. They installed the panels today. So this is the one they did yesterday. So tomorrow they will finish up. Yeah, and we'll start using our solar. But now we'll be having steady lights. That hey God, I cannot wait. So everywhere is messed up. Both their stuff. We still have the stuff today. So I'm not going to be touching all those things till they finish. Till they finish. Yeah. They also installed these sockets. Yeah, they installed these 2 sockets because before we only have this one, but they installed this one. I think this one is for the this one. They say this one now is for the charge to charge the battery. Then this one is for the changeover. Yeah. So this one is for the changeover. So this is our normal NEPA one. Like this one, the upside is for NEPA. Sorry, the upside is for generator. The downside is for solar. So, but this one now is for NEPA light. So whenever we see NEPA, we just drag this one down. Yeah. So guys, that is just it for now. Tomorrow, once they finish, I will still show you guys. Yeah. Oh, I'm happy. If you know how happy I am, because almost for the past 4 months now or 5 months, we have been burning constant fuel. And the worst part is the price of fuel in this our country now is quite annoying. Like it's very expensive. Like today that I bought fuel at the filling station, I bought 700 and either 759 or there or so. So fuel is very expensive. So us consuming fuel every day, like you don't know how happy I am. So and I think the best is this solar because we have constant light. So guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.
Shana yellow you try and put for there.
Yellow, sure.
Shana yellow.
Yes.
Look to the minute. You don't finish now.
Now, in case you want to use that for the cover.
Our solar is not working. You're not flashing solar lights. I'll get on our pillow side. Who did take a mom? Hey guys, good afternoon. Happy weekend. Yep. Happy weekend. How are you all doing? How is your Saturday moving in your own location? This is my hair needs some trimming. Maybe later in the day I will be going to the salon to touch my hair and retint it. Yeah, but the retinting I'll be doing it at home. So guys, how are you all doing? If you see my face for the first time, my name is Precious, a mom YouTuber that based in Asaba Delta State, Nigeria. So you're welcome to my platform, okay? And please do not make this your last time of coming across my channel. Please make sure you subscribe before clicking out, okay? So guys, today we'll be going to the market I have few things that I want to buy at the market. Some foodstuffs and some things that my baby needs, like her pampers have finished. So I need to replace it, both her wipes and her cream as well. Yeah, so I'll be going to the market right now to get those things that I need at home, both my baby stuff and what I'll be cooking tomorrow. Because today is Saturday, yeah, so I'll be getting the stuff that I'll be cooking today and tomorrow at the market. So I'm fully ready. Let's head out. Let's go to the market together, guys. And do not forget to subscribe, okay? And watch this video to the end. Don't click out. Don't skip. Watch to the end, okay? I love you guys.